It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. But it's always a good time for a quiche. Today we're going to talk about quiche. What is a quiche? A quiche is a delicious egg pie with a nice buttery crust. It can have all different kinds of things in it. It usually has cheese, but not always. It sometimes has meat. It could even have seafood, like a shrimp quiche. That sounds delicious. Today we're going to talk about two different quiches. The first is quiche Lorraine, a classic bistro dish. The great thing about quiche is that you can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or late night. Quiches came to our shores in the 1960s, but really gained popularity in the 1960s with quiche Lorraine, our first quiche dish. The second quiche that I'm going to make is more of an updated quiche. It has asparagus, goat cheese, and chives, and is really going to be delicious. So join me in the next clip when we talk about the equipment that you'll need to make a quiche.